So hello everyone, welcome you all on Sunya IAS platform. Now Sunya IAS is bringing for you now a test series for PSIR. Now we are very well aware that a lot of students who have their political science and national relation as the optional are facing this difficulty that they are not sure that कैसे prepare करे as in writing wise. So one of the very important part of any subject in whole of UPSC examination, and to be precise in optional subject, is the writing skills. Frankly, it doesn't even matter how much you know if you are unable to pen it down on a sheet of paper in a period of 3 hours. That's the whole ball game you are in. So for that purpose, you have to be very well aware, you have to be very well capable of writing test series. Okay, so that's the way forward. Now, let me tell you this very important and essential thing that we have brought this test series where we'll make sure that you will be provided all the information which is needed to be able to write the answer for mains optional subjects. A big problem is a lot of students are facing in the past 2-3 years is that pattern has bit diverted, as in more and more questions are coming from the application point of view. Okay, if you know anyone who is already writing the PSIR test series for the 2023 mains examination, get in touch with them and they will tell you that how great the test series is right now. It is really helpful for them and it can be really helpful for you if you are preparing for the 2024 examination. Okay, so let me just go in detail and tell you what we are bringing in. So the program, what exactly it contains? We are in the process of making things simple only, you know it well enough. So what we are doing, we'll provide you in total 24 tests. Okay, out of those 24 tests, 16 will be sectional, 8 will be full length test. Now what is sectional test and what is full length test? This is actually very important and one has to know this thing. Its basic idea is that sectional test will have 10 questions. Why 10 questions? So in total, you know it very well that there are 28 questions, okay, in a full length test. Out of 28 questions, okay, you have to do somewhere like 19 questions. Now, a few of the students might be confused. Nahi, sir, we know it's 8 questions and we have to do 5 questions. Actually, every question has subparts. And many a time the subparts are also from various different ideas. So if you in total calculate just for the timing of the writing thing, you will find out that in total there are 28 questions, and when you are trying to attempt 5 questions out of 8, you are effectively attempting 19 questions. So to prepare you well, we have decided that okay, it will be far better that initially you start with writing 1.5 hours. We just don't want to make you write 3 hours on the very first day. Otherwise, first day you will write for 3 hours, and next time you will not come for the test because you will be so upset or pissed off or frustrated. Okay, so the length has to be grown over the period of time. So and at the same time, if you are writing 10 questions in 1.5 hours, very well you will be able to write 20 questions in 3 hours, and if 20 is your benchmark, then in the examination you will be able to do 19, and that's the funda. So there will be 16 part length tests which with 10 questions each time, and 8 full length tests where in total whole paper will be there for 28 questions, or you can say 8 questions with subparts, and you have to do as many questions, basically 19 questions in total. So that's the whole thing. Now you must be aware already that Sunya IAS is famous for the literature, the content which we provide, which is the most essential thing when you are writing a mains examination, whether you are writing GS or optional. And therefore the model answers are also done in a very excellent manner. So let me give you just an example over here. Look, what usually happens, the biggest problem when the examination is this, or optional examination to be precise, is people starts again writing in paragraph pattern. One of the major problem is in the paragraphs and in a point-wise manner. Point-wise always looks better, and if it looks better, it is easier for the evaluator to understand it. If he can understand it, if he can comprehend it, you will surely get more marks, as simple as that. But making sure that that thing can be done in an optional paper was a bit difficult. But we have done it. You won't be having any problem now. So here for every model, every question which will be provided in a test paper, a model answer will be provided and with a proper approach, and the approaches won't be like, okay, conclude accordingly. If you have given any test paper, you know it well what happens in the test papers, but over here you will see that that is not the way. And to be precise, each and every part, as in body, introduction, body and conclusion, you can see that each and everything with the name of the scholars and what they have comprehended is mentioned in the approach itself. And subsequently, if you look at the answer is also detailed and also making sure that it's not too long, because otherwise what happens, you get a model answer, but when you look at it, it's not actually an answer, it's a essay. Okay, you don't have to write an essay in pol science paper. Okay, your limitation are usually 250 word at max and not 1250 words. But what you are given in a model answer usually is more than 1200 words, 1300 words, 1000 words. That's not useful. But these will be very useful. For example, let me tell you, a question is over here, examine the nature and meaning of authority. And if you'll see here, who talked best about authority or the maximum amount, whose influence is there? Weber. Okay, Max Weber. So Weberian idea is mentioned here. Thomas Hobbes, Friedrich Hayek, Lord Acton, John Locke, all of them are mentioned here, which needed to be covered to write a impressive answer. Always remember, that is the main goal. Now, this is just the model answer. Along with model answer, you must be knowing by now that the evaluation system is also very comprehensive. So just to give you an idea, here is the test series which is going on right now. So I've just taken a screenshot of one of the question and that a student has written, and then it has been evaluated. So that also you can see from here. Discuss the major subject matters of comparative politics in current times, outline the limitation of comparative politics analysis. What is the most important things about comparative politics right now? If anyone is asking this thing, a very easy and simple answer will be that, look, the concept, the whole concept which has to be explained is the evolving nature of democracy. Various part of world will have various different kind of democracy. There is some tweak, and that is something which is compared again and again. This is something mentioned by Samuel Huntington. That was not mentioned by students, so that had been added here. So not only in the evaluation also, it's not only that it is just written that, okay, introduction is good or bad, or alignment is good or bad, but also at each statement what else you can add and what else you can remove, that is also mentioned by the evaluator. So it's also very comprehensive. Now a lot of students also feel that the model answer dekh ke bhi, even after looking at model answer, we are not able to comprehend the things. For them, there are video discussion sessions which will be given to you for each of the tests. Means there are 24 tests, so 24 video discussions will be there. Plus, after that, you will see that for those students who still face, after going through the answers or the attempting questions, that abhi still they are unable to make up the marks which they were expecting. So one-to-one interaction with the faculty will also be there. So they can also understand that where exactly they are lacking, whether it is content-wise there is some problem or they are not able to structure it properly, and then they can work exactly on that. So that option is also here. Okay. So all these options will be provided to you in this test series. One more thing, a lot of problem, what big problem of a test series is the scheduling point, and what has to be studied, what not to be studied, when the thing will happen. Okay, so schedules are very important. So the test series starts from 12th of August. Okay, subsequently the very next day the video lecture or the video discussion of that will be uploaded for you. Okay, what topic will be covered in which test, okay, and what reference material has to be used is also mentioned. Okay, so what you can do is you can follow the schedule. The link to the schedule will also be in the description of this video, as well as in the Sunya IAS website also, if you'll go in the PSIR test series option. So you can pick it up from there too. Okay, just in the last, let me just tell you that when you go to the page of Sunya IAS on internet, okay, the web portal, over there you have to go on PSIR. On PSIR, then PSIR test series, and this is the very test which I am talking about, which is getting started on 12th of August, and that is why this is specifically mentioned. It is online and offline both available. So whether you are staying somewhere in deep south or deep east or deep north, or right there in center in Delhi or anyone else, you can attempt it. Offline mode, online mode, everything is available. It is as per your choosing, what makes you comfortable. You can choose and start your preparation, start your right answers. Okay, so that is something you need to know. One more thing, a lot of students says, sir, this is fine, but what about the PYQs? Now, PYQs will be covered in the test series in the sense that all the topics, look, once a PYQ is asked, it rarely happens, it do happen, but it rarely happens that the exact topic is asked again. But yes, the same exact topic will be asked, but the question framing will be a bit different. Now, we will make sure that all those things will be covered. Our emphasis is also that as much as possible, the test series should also cover whole of your syllabus by the end. Okay, so if there are in total 16 tests, that will be 160 questions plus 8 test papers with more questions, as in 28 questions each time. Okay, so that will be somewhere 230, 232 questions. Okay, or something like that. So you compile all these questions, and by the time you will be writing, ending this paper, this whole thing, you will have more than 500, around 500 model answers. If you have around 500 model answers, you will be in a comfortable position to write the paper. Along with that, PYQ booklet for the year between 2015 and 2022 will be also provided to you, making sure that you should be able to cover the previous year question, because they basically define the constraint in which upcoming year question also come. So that will also be provided to you. The details are here. The other details are here, right, in which city offline mode is available, and everywhere else you can go for online mode. Prices and other details are listed out here. Discussion and doubt session, as I told you, Zoom sessions will be available. So just what you have to go through is go to the link, go through the download section, download the schedule, go through the details, log in on the Sunya IAS portal and enroll yourself, start writing the test, come to us whenever you have any problem after that. Thank you and have a nice day. I hope more and more people will join this test series, and let's move forward. Thank you.